If your knuckles click like popcorn, you're not doomed. Here's why it sounds so satisfying, and when to stop. When you pull a finger, the joint space expands and pressure drops. Gas bubbles form. Then they pop. That's the crack. Those bubbles take about 30 minutes to reform. So you can't crack the same knuckle twice in a row. Habitual cracking won't give you arthritis. But don't yank too hard. You could sprain a finger, or dislocate one. Simple, gross, harmless, mostly.